Welcome back. Last time, we started exploring the FullCast platform. Now, we're going to focus on building your go to market in FullCast. But before we dive in, fun fact we polled a sales community group on LinkedIn. Of over 1,000 members who responded, 65% believe that having a bad territory is a legitimate reason for a rep to miss their quota. What does this mean for you as a RevOps or strategy leader? Whether you call it building books, carving territories, or something else, the process of segmenting your market and aligning your resources is critical to business success. Fortunately, you're in good hands with FullCast. We're going to get you up to speed quick so you can get to the fun part of building a strategic go to market. In this module, we'll do a deeper dive into a couple navigation and menu items before really getting into the mechanics of segmenting your accounts. First, we'll review the segmentation panel. It's your central hub for viewing territories. Next, we'll walk through the three-dot segmentation menu. This menu is your starting point for managing your territory structure. Then, we'll look at rules for creating hierarchies, and I'll explain what each rule type does. Our aim with these videos is to give you the tools and confidence to make the most of the FullCast platform. We're here to support you in managing your go-to-market and streamlining your processes. Let's get started and tailor FullCast to fit your unique business needs.